Good morning, one and all. Welcome to my channel, Miracles of Math. So, we will continue with the previous topic, that is the law of algebra of sets. Laws in algebra of sets. We already saw what is distributive law in the previous class. Continuation to that, today we will see what is De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law. So, there are two De Morgan's law. One is with union and one is with intersection. A union B whole complement. This one represents complement, that is not, okay, negative. A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement, and A intersection B whole complement is A complement union B complement. So let us see this with Venn diagrams as well as with a small example. Let us take the first one. A union B whole complement. What is the meaning of complement? That means we shouldn't include that. Complement means we shouldn't include that. So A union B whole complement. Let us draw a Venn diagram for 2. So this is A and this is B. Okay. So this is A and this is B. A union B whole complement. That means from the complete universal set. From the complete universal set, that means from the complete rectangular box, you need to remove A union B and shade the rest of the part. Okay. So from the complete universal set, from the complete rectangular box, you need to remove A union B. So the leftover region will be, see, I will shade that. So this is A, this is B. So once you take this complete circles, you will be left with. So this region is what A union B whole complement says. That means you shouldn't include A and B. Not even a small part of A and B should be clubbed, should be included in that. This is A union B whole complement. Now we will also see A complement, we will see B complement, and we will see the intersection between these two. What is A complement? I will draw again in diagrams. The first diagram is only, I am talking only about A complement. A complement means from the complete set, A should be removed. From the complete universal set, A should be removed. Okay. So if you do that, you will have B can come from the complete box, from the complete rectangle. A should not be clubbed. A should not be joined. So there is no restriction on B. B can come. So this is for A complement. Now in a similar way we will draw for B complement. So once again take A, once again take B. Now B complement means it should not include B. So this is A, this is B, you shouldn't include B. So I can include A. There is no restriction on A. I can include A. So now tell me, what is the common intersection part between these two shaded regions? What is the common intersection part? See, this part is not there. So this is not the common region. This part is also not shaded. That is not the common region. Common region means shaded both of them. Here it is this one is shaded, but this is not shaded. But you can see all the outer layer in the box, not leaving the circles, that is common for both of them. So if you try to draw that common part, what it is? So this part which is there in both of them, as well as this complete thing and this one. This complete thing is a common region between these two. The red one, the one which I draw now with red, that is a common between these two. Okay. So are these two equal? This shaded region and this red part, are these two equal? Yes, these two are equal if you carefully observe. So this part will not be there anymore. This is not the common region. So now you can see whether these two are giving us the same shaded region or not. Yes, these two are giving us the same shaded region. So we can say that these two are equal. Now quickly let us take one example and we'll see whether this is correct or wrong. So I'm erasing this part so that I can write properly. Okay, see here. So let us take one element A, one set A, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us take the same set which we are actually referring from the previous class. B is 3, 4, 5, 6. Now tell me what is A union B? A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the elements of A and B should be there. Now A union B whole complement means there should be universal set, but we didn't define that till now. I am giving you universal set is a set of all natural numbers. Set of all natural numbers 1, 2, 3, so on till infinity. I am saying that universal set is a set of all natural numbers. So universal set is there, A is there, B is there, A union B is there. So A union B whole complement is equal to universal set minus A union B. So from the universal set, if you remove all these, from the complete set of natural numbers, if you remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you will be left with 7, 8, 9, so on till infinity. You will be left with 7, 8, 9, so on till infinity. This is A union B whole complement. Let us quickly see what is A complement. A complement, that is universal set minus A. Universal set minus A. So what is universal set? Set of all natural numbers 1, 2, 3, so on till infinity minus set A. What is set A? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will be left? 1, 2, 3, 4 are gone. So we will be left with 5, 6, 7 and so on till infinity. That is A complement. What is B complement? From the universal set you need to remove B. From the set of all natural numbers you need to take B. So 3, 4, 5, 6 if you remove from natural numbers you will be left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and after that from 7, 8 so on till infinity. Okay. So now what is A complement intersection B complement? That means what are the common values between these two? What are the common values between these two? So tell me what are the common values? If you can see 1, 2 is not there, 1, 2 is not there, 5, 6 is here but 5, 6 is not there. So the common element starts from 7 and it goes till infinity. The common regions start from 7 and goes to infinity. So here you can say that A complement intersection B complement is 7, 8 and so on till infinity, and check whether these two are equal or not. Yes, these two are equal and you can say that these two are correct. A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. First thing we have seen through Venn diagrams, and the next one we also took an example and we verified that. Correct. So quickly we will try to see what is A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. That is the second De Morgan's law. The second De Morgan law we'll see. So now A intersection B whole complement, that means from the complete universal set you need to remove A intersection B. From the complete universal set you need to remove A intersection B. So draw a quick Venn diagram for that. So let us take, this is a set A, this is a set B. From the complete universal set, that means from the complete rectangular box including the circles, you need to delete A intersection B. What is A intersection B? The common area between A and B. The common area between A and B. So this is A, this is B. A intersection B is this one. Okay, highlight it here. This is A, this is B. A intersection B is this one. So I need to shade the complete box without this common region, without this common part. Okay, so I will get this region. Even A can be included, but only the common region between A and B should not be included. Only this region should not be included, rest all should be included. Okay, so this region I am not shading it, observe it properly. So this is A intersection B whole complement. A intersection B whole complement. Now let us see A complement union B complement. What is A complement? What is A complement? From the complete universal set, you need to remove A. From the complete rectangular box, you need to remove A. Okay, so from the complete rectangular box, you need to remove A. So leaving this one, what are you left with? B can be included. You should not include A. Not even a small part you should include. The remaining part you should include. Okay. So I am not shading this reason as well as the common. Here also you have A. Here also you have A. So this is A complement. This is A complement. So now tell me, what is B complement? What is B complement? Once again, take two circles. And now B complement means from the complete universal set you need to remove B. From the complete universal set you need to take away B. So this is A, this is B. If you take away B, so you will be left with this part will be there with you. B should not be included. So this reason is there with you. Correct. So this part I am not including this one or this one. Now A complement union B complement, that means the complete shaded region. The complete shaded region between A complement and B complement. If you carefully observe, this complete thing is shaded, as well as this part is also shaded here. This part is also shaded here, but this intersection part is not shaded between these two. Not shaded. That means this region we need to remove. So if you club these two, I will get the region as all A and B. The complete A and B will come except the common intersection part, which is not shaded in both the parts, in both the questions. So this will be the complete shaded region, even this one. The only thing we need to leave is this inner part. Okay, so that one we left. Only this inner part I am leaving. Here also we left. So are these two equal? Equal in the sense, see where the complete box is shaded. This is completely shaded, leaving this one. This is also completely shaded, leaving this one. So are these two equal? Yes, these two are equal. Let us quickly see one small example and verify whether this is correct or wrong. Okay, so once again, U is a set of all natural numbers. U is set of all natural numbers till infinity. A, let us take it is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and B, let us take it as 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so now tell me, what is A intersection B? A intersection B means the common elements between A and B. The common elements between A and B. What are the common elements? 3, 4. 3, 4 are the common elements. And A intersection B whole complement. A intersection B whole complement. That means from the complete universal set, from the complete set of all natural numbers, you need to take away A intersection B. You need to take away A intersection B. So 3, 4 if you remove, you will be left with 1, 2, 4. 4 is also removed. 1, 2, 3, 4 removed, and 5, 6, so on till infinity. This is A intersection B whole complement. We will also quickly check what is A complement union B complement. What is A complement? From the complete universal set, you need to remove A. From the universal set, if you remove A, so it will be 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. What about B complement? From the complete universal set, you need to remove B. From the complete universal set, you need to remove B. So 3, 4, 5, 6, if you remove from the natural numbers, you will have 1, 2, 7, 8, and so on. Alright. So now tell me, what is union of these two? A complement, union B complement. Union means you need to take all the elements. So 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on till infinity. So are these two equal? 1, 2, 5, 6, so on, 7, 8, all these will come, as well as this. Here also the same elements are coming. So are these two equal? Yes, we say that these two relations are equal. A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. The same thing will be applicable in the first De Morgan's law, that is A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. So this is all about De Morgan's law using Venn diagrams. So we'll continue in the next lecture. Thank you.